Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today we will learn array. So what is array? So array basically data type that stores multiple similar type of values. Suppose you have like numbers, right? Numbers and suppose one, two, three, four, five, six. You have multiple numbers. So why you store so many like variables? So that's reason this is like using array, like data type array, the define, right? Here, this is. So you have multiple values stored in single variables, right? So this is like data type, and it stores multiple values, single variable, multiple similar data type, right? It stores in a single array, right? So how can print this? So it's not use echo. From echo is you are using only single variables printing. Now here is multiple values, so we are using print r, right? Numbers. Die means your code not executed after die function, right? So we can save this and we are running from here like array.php. So this is like printing your array, and one more way to print the smart way, right? We are using pre. This is a smart way to printing. So this is like your array printing values, right? So array have data types, stores multiple multiple values, similar data type, right? And array have so many functions, right? Suppose you want to some values switch from here, maybe sometimes we not need like first value, second value, or so many values not need. We have so many types algorithm we can use in array. So array have like some functions. Explaining array shift, right? This is function. You can define the numbers from here, right? And printing a value, right? A value $a, right? This $a, right? This $a printing here, and we are putting here from break line, right? Break line. Save this, and from here this is comments. This is PHP comments, right? Comment this, right? And use like print here. No a here printing a, because we are printing, right? And putting from here, right? So we are printing from this a, right? And we are printing from numbers. Here we are using array shift, right? Okay, so go to browser and see what is happening. Okay, we are using like some mod way fill, so easily understand the values, right? See, a position value is 1 1. Now array like this, 0 position value have 2. One is array shift. So array shift, we are using shift 1 0 position value, means first position. So now is we have array 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First is eliminating. So array start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 4 values, and now we are here printing value, right? On first step, see this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start from 1 to 6. Now here is starting from 2, 4, 6, because one value is eliminating. Same thing, we have one more function. The name is array shift, right? We are using one more way to use array shift. We are using array. and shift. Array and shift, right? We are using number and we are using first. FINST first. Same thing. We are copying this, right? And paste here. Very simple. This is define the variable b, right? B. Okay. Now it's printing. What we see? C and shift. We are placing value is zero position is value first and second 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is like array some values we are placing positioning array shift and shift. We have one more like functions array push and pop. Same thing we can use. So this is array. If you have any query about the array function, right, your comments me, definitely I revert. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.